Hey guys! The 2022 Chinese Gaokao has hosted its Chinese exam, and during the composition section, Go comes into the picture, which represents the importance of this Chinese traditional culture and its immense value in China. The question mentions three terms in Go: the proper move, the extraordinary move, and the vulgar move. Students must illustrate their own understanding of those three terms and turn them into an essay, which is very profound and philosophical. So the first term, proper move, refers to a move that goes in line with the Go logic on the chessboard. The extraordinary move refers to a move that is unexpected and subtle, and the vulgar move seems to be reasonable but is destructive in an overall perspective. Today I will lead you to show you some examples of each of those three terms on the chessboard. Now let's get to it. As we see now, there is a very simple shape of black placing at the start point. White approaches black, and we will assume, according to the Go logic, that black will go here to defend this stone and at the same time trying to gain some territory over here. So this is called the proper move. If black doesn't go here and instead pinces white, this is an unexpected move. However, the most proper move that fits with the Go logic is go here. As we see in this situation, the shape becomes rather complicated. Now, this is during the process of a fixed pattern, and we can see that the proper move would be black placing here to jump and at the same time trying to gain some territory over the corner. White extends on the side. So in this case, this is a complete fixed pattern in this corner, and black jumping here is considered the proper move. Now we will illustrate an extraordinary move using this shape, which is more complicated than the last one. So in this situation, we see that black is surrounded by those white stones, and it seems that it cannot escape in any way. It is killed by white. If black places here, then white will stick here so that black cannot go here or here to block white's liberties. In this case, those two black stones are dead in white's territory. However, there is an extraordinary move in this case that would save black and at the same time killing those white stones. What is it? It's a diagonal move here. So we can see that after placing a diagonal move, white has no place to step but to stick here, and black stands on this side. So here we can see that white cannot go here or here to block black's liberties. In this case, it can only go here to try to block, but black has the advantage of one liberty, and it goes here, and white just goes here, and black can eat all those white stones. In this case, the diagonal move is an extraordinary move because it enables this black stone to escape and at the same time killing those 6 white stones. In this situation, we see that these 2 black stones and these 4 white stones are having a capturing race. We can firstly think that it is black's turn to step, and it firstly checks white, white sticks. Now we've come to the situation where white stones have 1, 2, 3 liberties, while black stones only have 2 liberties on this side. What can black do? Actually, there are 2 extraordinary moves that could save black and kill white. In this case, black firstly hangs here. White has no choice but stick, and black hangs at this direction, and white blocks its way out. And in this case, we see that magically, black has 3 liberties. Although there are only 2, black blocks liberties and White wants to block black's liberties, but black sticks here. White can only take this black stone out of the chessboard, but now black still has 2 liberties. Now white only has 2 liberties, so that black can kill white in this case. By hanging at both directions, we see that those 2 black stones are able to create another liberty by placing the extraordinary moves. Now I will introduce the term of vulgar move. So this is still a very simple shape of black placing at the start point, and now white approaches black. Black makes a diagonal move to block white's way into the corner to gain some territories, and white goes here and black blocks here. Now, checking here is considered a vulgar move. If white simply sticks here, it will have a chance to invade into black's corner at here. However, after checking, black sticks, now it is real territory, and white will have no chance of invading into the corner at all. So this move is called a vulgar move. The second shape still has on this corner, and we can see this is a very common shape of black gaining some territory on the corner and white gaining some territory on the side. If white now goes here, black sticks, this step is also called a vulgar move because without going here, white will have an opportunity to invade into black's corner in the future, and black will go here and white can fly to survive in this corner and invade into black's territory. However, after this move, black can stick so that those territory are actually black's, and white will have no chance of invading into this corner at all. So this step is a vulgar move. Just now on the chessboard, we looked at 3 terms in Go. However, there are just some basic techniques on the chessboard. In fact, there are thousands of changes and patterns on this 19x19 battlefield. Actually, life is just like a game of Go. The proper moves are what keeps us safe in life, and sometimes we should encounter some vulgar moves before making an extraordinary move. Through today's discussion, you might find that Go is very magical and mysterious. If you want to explore it further, please follow me onto this amazing journey.